Hey everybody, how you doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction in cloudy but still beautiful Largo, Florida. I'm about to shoot a video doing a full wheel detail and then applying turtle wax, jet black, black and DuraShine tire coat and on the tires, which gives you about a year of just beautiful, shiny. This has about a year and 4 months on these Bridgestone Potenza RE71Rs that I have on the BMW. And great for autocrossing, by the way. But I'm gonna just shoot this quick video right here about this tool. This tool is $1.67 US, free shipping on eBay. I can tell you that it's got these foamy little fingers. It's got a plastic tipped end, so you're not going to damage anything. But what I found is on the back of spokes of wheels, this is always a tough area to get a brush in. I've looked at angled brushes and they're like, 15, 20 bucks for just an angled brush. And I saw this on eBay for $1.67 free shipping. I will say that it did take like a month to get to me. I'm sure it's from some small town in China. But I want to show you something real quick because I think every detailer in the world should own this tool. And I'm going to show you how simple it is. I have, I have here in my Master Blaster high output sprayer, chemically resistant, 5-year guarantee, great bottle from Walmart. In the plumbing section sometimes, it's not with the regular bottles. But I have this with Brown Royal. It's from Flash Detailing. You can find it on Amazon. It is a great product made right here in Largo, Florida by Flash. So, real simple, right? When you're cleaning any wheel, I'm just going to wet down this one section. I'm not going to show you how to clean a wheel here, but with this tool, you can get your cleaner on it, and I'm going to show you how you can just give it a reach around. Yep, I said that. And you can get in all these interior, not exterior, you can get behind the spokes, you can get back up tight into the wheel and just give it a thorough scrubbing. And this thing I've been using for about 6 months now, and I'm telling you, I don't see any wear or tear. It seems very chemically resistant, and it's just a great tool. I don't know, maybe on this spoke you can really kind of see a little better, but you can reach back behind, you can get into all the tight spaces, and I just think it's an amazing tool, and it's $1.67. If I had to complain about something, I would say that if you push too hard, this will bend right at, like the wire is not super strong behind here. But, if you're just getting your brake cleaner and you can just quickly get all these back areas, I actually usually save it for last because the rinsing is kind of hard to get back there too. Although you could wet it down and then just kind of use it as a rinse tool as well. But I just wanted to share this with you. I honestly believe every single detailer in the world should have this in their bucket and of wheel tools and should be using it. It's just a great tool. It's silly cheap. I'm probably going to buy a few more, but honestly, after 6 months, it's completely perfect, like the day I got it from China. So I just wanted to share that with you. I thank you. And part 3 of this whole wheel detail coating with the Brightmax SiO2 and using the Turtle Wax black acrylic tinted coating is going to be filmed right after I stop this video. Thanks for watching. Please share, please subscribe, please comment. This channel is all about you. Appreciate it.